Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Product Critique,
the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest products in the automotive world.
Today, we have something special for all you Honda Shine owners out there.
The Honda 08207 10W30KIT, the best engine oil for your beloved Honda Shine motorcycle. Before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss out on our latest product reviews.
Alright, let's get started.
The Honda 08207 10W30 kit is a comprehensive oil change kit specially designed for Honda EU 2000 generators, including the Honda Shine motorcycle. This kit comes with everything you need to keep your engine running smoothly. Inside the box, you'll find a quart of genuine Honda Oil 10W30, a Honda spark plug, and a genuine Honda air filter. These are all genuine OEM Honda parts, ensuring top-notch quality for your engine.
Now, why is it crucial to use genuine Honda parts for your Honda Shine?
Well, these parts are specifically engineered to meet Honda's strict quality standards.
When you use them, you're ensuring the longevity and performance of your engine.
The oil in this kit is a high-quality 10W30 viscosity oil with a flash point of 200 degrees Celsius. This means it provides excellent lubrication and performs well even under high temperatures. One of the best things about this kit is its ease of use. Whether you're a seasoned mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, changing your engine oil with this kit is a breeze.
Plus, it saves you the hassle of hunting for individual parts. Speaking of user experiences, let's take a look at what other Honda Shine owners have to say about this kit. Customers have praised the quality and ease of use of this kit.
They've mentioned that it works as described, is easy to use, and even makes life easier when it comes to maintaining their Honda Shine motorcycles. Before you purchase, please note that this product is designed for use in the US.
International customers may need an adapter or converter. Always check compatibility before buying. Now, for the best part, the price.
The Honda 08207 10W30 kit is available at just $21.68 on Amazon, making it an affordable choice for top-notch maintenance. In conclusion, if you want to ensure the best care for your Honda Shine motorcycle, the Honda 08207 10W30 kit is your go-to solution. Don't compromise on quality when it comes to your engine's health. That's it for today's review. If you've used this kit before or have any questions, please let us know in the comments below.
Don't forget to like this video and share it with your fellow Honda Shine enthusiasts. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and we'll see you in the next one.